Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Paystub from Amazon Flex. Really easy and simple to do this, guys. So first things first, of course, you want to log in to the Amazon Flex app, okay, with your account credentials. And then if you want to get your Paystub, this is what you do, guys. You go ahead and visit the earning tabs, which you'll find on the Amazon Flex app. And right here you can do things like, view your balance, your pending payments, okay? And you can also view your scheduled payment dates. And from this same section, guys, you'll be able to see your pending payment dates and your pending payments. And you can go ahead and take a screenshot and download your pay stub. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video provided value to you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, so you get notified of the next video. And I'll see you in the next one.